What's happening, fandoms? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here,
we react to music videos and shows.
Today we're going back to Clone Wars. We had many suggestions that we should follow the official chronological order of the episodes, and we didn't know about that before we started, so we have already recorded episodes 1, 2, and 3 of season 1. But apparently episode 16 of season 2 chronologically occurs before those. So we're gonna step back to season 2 episode 16 and a couple more, and then we're gonna continue on the correct journey. So
here we go. Please
join us as we start our chronological journey of the Clone Wars. This is sort of the first episode of Clone Wars, apparently. Here we go. It's called Cat and Mouse.
Here we go.
A wise leader knows when to follow.
I like those little tidbits.
An impenetrable defense. Separatist ships blockade the resource-rich planet of Christophsis.
This is gonna be one short rescue mission.
Okay. Well, we get some Anakin Skywalker before he turned evil.
Separate them from their escort.
Some kind of a spider creature.
I smell fear. And it smells good.
I like him. Oh, that's not good.
General, one of the supply ships has been hit.
Obi-Wan.
Maybe. Oh, will he be enough to save the day?
Looks like General Skywalker's already engaged the enemy.
Now might not be a bad time to regroup.
A new toy?
Tell the transports to fall back to Obi-Wan's position. We'll cover their retreat as they escape behind the moon.
It's interesting to see Anakin listening to Obi-Wan.
We shall be ready.
I like that. Roger, Roger.
Yeah,
and
then they
bonk their
smack
head.
him. They're real dumb. Real dumb. Nope, that was Anakin going to Obi-Wan's ship.
Well, here I am. Tell me about this new weapon.
You're looking at it.
I'm looking at what?
2 steps forward and you'd actually be kissing it.
Oh my.
It's a stealth ship.
Oh, look at that.
It's more important to save lives than destroy ships. I need you to continue the Mercy mission.
And they can
And he's not gonna do
also
it.
rescue Senator Organa.
It can't be him. Tell General Skywalker to hold his departure.
Yes, sir.
What about this guy is so special?
And then there's this.
His
Last
symbol.
time I saw that symbol, let's just say I lost a lot of good men that day.
What do I need to know?
I have seen his work firsthand. A corporate fleet was blockading Malastare.
Everyone's on board. We are go.
Dispatch, we are powering up and ready to go.
Now, I've never seen a stealth ship in Star Wars.
Now you have.
Nice.
Relax, Admiral. Hey, you wanted to come on this ride.
What's he afraid he's gonna bump into him?
I cannot calculate why the Republic fleet has not launched another attack.
Hyena bombers, huh?
Wow.
2,000. 1,000.
They're going to hit us!
500.
They're just gonna accidentally run into them?
They missed us.
We can't hold out any longer. There's little chance for survival. Help us, General Kenobi. You're our only hope.
Get me Anakin.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Anakin.
I'm just
That's
spoken to the
great.
Senator. They're in dire need of our help. I want those supplies on the surface now.
Don't worry, I'm on it.
I think tactically Anakin has the best chance here.
The Republic fleet is holding position.
This is unusual. What can they be planning?
You're about to find out, buddy.
I mean, easy.
It's time to introduce ourselves.
Okay.
Activate the turbochargers. Release torpedo safety. Shield regeneration on standby.
Interesting.
Something odd is going on out there.
Yeah, you're about to find out
Ready
what.
torpedoes. Lock on to primary target.
Oh,
Oh boy. That
Foolish Republic
doesn't
scum.
seem to be
Your
enough.
puny torpedoes are no match for my thermo shields.
Wow, that did seem to work.
Fire a spread of lasers. We are dealing with a
Really?
Jedi.
That's what we learned?
Patch me into the comm channel. Open frequency.
Hello, ugly.
I am Admiral Trench. If you are listening, Jedi, you've made a bold move. Your technology will not save you, and your friends on the planet below shall perish as a result.
Damn.
Failure. The people of Christophsis and her resources shall join the Separatist Alliance. Turn back now. Retreat while you can.
Maybe he's tracking the magnetic signature. Thanks, Obi-Wan. Hold off your attack until we destroy Trench.
Wow, that's
I
very
remind you
confident.
that this was not your mission.
You might. Admiral, prepare to disengage cloaking device and fire. Fire!
why does it have to show up? Why can't he just do a battle without it?
I guess
There she
they have to
Cloaking
uncloak.
in 5, 4.
Sir, 4 more Republic torpedoes armed and closing.
lock us onto that ship's magnetic signature.
Ah, yes, magnetic signature.
They are turning around.
General, the cloaking device is active, but they're locked onto our magnetic signature.
He took the bait. Turn off the cloaking device. Divert all power to the engines.
They are gonna drop those torpedoes on his own ship, I think.
He is headed right for us.
Can't. Raise the shields.
We cannot. The shields are still recharging.
Wow.
Nice.
That was some excellent flying.
I'll be delivering the supplies to the surface, Master.
Well, that worked out.
Yeah, double duty. Where's everybody?
A lot of people are dead, I
General
think.
Skywalker.
Looks like you're now officially part of the crew.
Spark,
Thanks, Commander.
new member of Anakin's clone
Well,
troopers.
looks like we make a pretty good team.
I must admit, I am a bit surprised at the reckless nature of your tactic. The Chancellor mentioned as much, though he insisted it was the highest compliment.
Yeah.
The Chancellor. Yeah. Huh.
Like it.
Interesting. So
I like that.
that was a cool episode. I wonder why it would chronologically be so out of order. If it's in season 2, why does it come before the ones we've already watched? I'm not quite sure.
Yeah.
But I really enjoyed the tactics that we saw. I've never seen a cloaking ship in Star Wars before, so that was cool.
Yeah.
We got clone troopers.
Yeah.
We got Roger robots.
Yeah.
Didn't really use any Force stuff, no Jedi stuff really,
Nope.
just skill.
Yeah.
But it was cool to see Obi-Wan
Yeah. So it's General
and Bail Organa.
Organa, yeah. And then so it's the General, what's his name? The other General.
The spider guy?
No. The General itself that helped.
I don't remember
know
his
his
name.
Me
We've
either.
seen him. We saw him in.
They mentioned it. I forgot.
Yeah,
I'm
they
so
said his name,
forgetful
but
nowadays.
we saw
Sorry.
that guy in season 1, episode 3. I want to say. So he's a continuing character. So
Yeah.
we'll have to figure out his name eventually. But fun. I liked it. I'm interested to figure out why this episode should be the very first one we watch. I guess in the later seasons they kind of jump around a little bit.
Perhaps.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
So,
Well, who'll point you out on this one?
well, it's the officially released order, the chronological order that was released by Disney, I guess.
I see.
So,
Well, thank you again for joining our show channel. We really appreciate for liking our videos to get the algorithm going. Thank you again. And for subscribing to our small mighty channel to help us grow. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.